Hello, I am JJ. For this project proposal, I'm going to talk about the basic concept I have, including the story, character, environment, and the production schedule. So, the concept I got is basically like the mixing of the movie Truman Show and Black Mirror, ironically saying that nowadays people filming with their phones instead of giving a hand when they see someone needing help. One day, a girl named Holly woke up and found out that all the citizens were gone except her. Day after day, she gradually lost her mind and became a psychopath. 6 months later, the other day, she found out that there are paparazzi filming her. Then she realizes that her life has become a reality show for others. There are 3 shots in total for this project. The first shot will be established long shot. Let the audience know that where the character is, and then zoom in to the character, and then she runs away. The second shot will be a full shot, catching the character is gasping after the run. The third shot will be the character running in front of the camera, shaking it and shout, "Let me out." The camera angle will be like a live documentary show with handheld shaking and focal length changes. And here is a rough animatic I made in Unreal Engine for this project. There are several roles for this production. First will be the environment artist, who's going to build the environment set with the assets from Quixel Bridge or other websites like Sketchfab. MetaHuman designer will be designing the character for motion capture. And obviously there's gonna be a director for the cinematography. Mocap supervisor and Unreal technical director will be running the system during the mocap session, with a performer and a dots assistant to put the dots on the performer. Lastly, there's a post-production supervisor who's going to retarget the mocap data. We don't have a render farm, so a render farmer is the one who has the best PC or laptop, or probably just render in the lab. Of course, there will be overlapping work, and it really depends on everyone's interest. As for the character, Holly will be a young female character, around 20 to 25 years old. I would like to change her clothes with some stain and dirt on it, if it's possible. I was hoping to use MetaHuman, because it's easier to customize and I believe it would be the best rig option to capture facial animation. And I also want to try to attach her hand to the virtual camera, if we can. The ideal location would be a sci-fi abandoned city. It could be like the city in the Planet of the Apes, but with the neon light. Being ruined and seems like nobody lives there for a very long time, with trees and grass growing everywhere. The reference will be like the city in Blade Runner, and the image from Quixel Bridge, so it means that it is possible to build a sci-fi location with the assets from Quixel Bridge. But I think the way we use lighting and exponential high fog will be the most important part of the environment. For the pipeline, week 7 will be discussing the work allocation and start building the environment and design MetaHuman. Week 8 will review the progress of the environment and MetaHuman to see what we could add and polish. In week 9, we'll finalize both MetaHuman and environment and decide who's going to wear the mocap suit. After finishing the mocap session on week 10 and 11, we'll be focusing on retargeting the data to Unreal Engine in week 12. And in week 13, I aim to combine all the things together and render it out for the showcase on week 14. I am willing to design the MetaHuman, run Vicon system during the mocap session, or retarget the mocap data into Unreal. Thanks for watching.